Welcome to our guide on how to use AI to make money. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries and opening up new opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the possibilities, this video will walk you through practical ways to leverage AI for financial gain. We'll cover everything from freelancing with AI tools to creating your own digital products and even investing in AI-driven markets. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn the power of AI into real income streams, starting with the basics and moving into actionable strategies. Before we jump into the money-making methods, let's quickly define what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, or making decisions. AI is everywhere, from voice assistants to recommendation engines. Understanding the basics of AI will help you spot opportunities and use the right tools for your goals. In the next scenes, we'll see how these smart systems can be harnessed for profit, even if you're not a programmer or tech expert. One of the fastest ways to start making money with AI is by offering freelance services using AI-powered tools. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with gigs for content creation, graphic design, data analysis, and more, all of which can be enhanced with AI. For example, you can use AI writing assistants to draft articles, or AI design tools to create logos quickly. This allows you to deliver high-quality work faster, take on more clients, and increase your earnings. Next, we'll look at specific AI tools you can use to boost your freelancing career. There are countless AI tools available to help freelancers work smarter. For writers, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can generate articles, emails, and social media posts in minutes. Designers can use Canva's AI features or DALL-E for unique visuals. Data analysts might turn to Tableau or Power BI, both of which use AI to uncover insights from complex data. By mastering these tools, you can offer more services and command higher rates. In the next scene, we'll explore how to create and sell digital products using AI. AI makes it easier than ever to create and sell digital products. You can use AI to write ebooks, generate online courses, or design printables and templates. These products can be sold on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly, generating passive income over time. In the following scenes, we'll break down how to use AI for each type of digital product and maximize your earning potential. If you've ever wanted to publish an ebook, AI can make the process much easier. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and even write entire sections of your book. You can also use AI grammar checkers to polish your writing. Once your ebook is ready, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a global audience. With the right topic and marketing, your AI-assisted ebook can become a steady source of income. Online courses are in high demand, and AI can help you create them efficiently. Use AI to research trending topics, generate course outlines, and even script video lessons. AI voice generators can narrate your content, while AI video editors can help you produce professional-looking lessons. Once your course is ready, platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to sell to students worldwide. This is a scalable way to share your expertise and earn money. Printables like planners, calendars, and worksheets are popular on platforms like Etsy. AI design tools can help you create beautiful, unique templates in minutes. You can use AI to generate ideas, design layouts, and even write engaging content for your printables. Once created, these digital files can be sold repeatedly, providing a steady stream of passive income. Next, we'll look at how AI can help you with marketing your digital products. Marketing is essential for making money online, and AI can give you a major advantage. AI-powered tools can help you analyze market trends, optimize your ads, and personalize your email campaigns. For example, AI can suggest the best keywords for your products, automate social media posts, and even predict which customers are most likely to buy. By using AI in your marketing strategy, you can reach more people and increase your sales with less effort. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money online, and AI can help you succeed. AI tools can identify high-converting products, optimize your website for search engines, and automate content creation. By using AI to analyze which products perform best, you can focus your efforts on the most profitable opportunities. Additionally, AI chatbots can engage visitors and increase your conversion rates. Let's see how you can set up your own AI-powered affiliate marketing system. AI chatbots can handle customer inquiries, recommend products, and even close sales for you. Setting up a chatbot on your website or social media page is easier than ever with platforms like ManyChat or ChatFuel. These bots can answer questions 24/7 freeing up your time and improving customer satisfaction. With the right setup, chatbots can help you generate more leads and sales, making them a valuable asset for any online business. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, consider investing in AI-related stocks and ETFs. Companies leading the AI revolution, such as NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Microsoft, have seen significant growth. AI-powered investment platforms can also help you analyze market trends and make smarter decisions. While investing always carries risks, AI can provide valuable insights to help you build a profitable portfolio. In the next scenes, we'll discuss how to use AI for smarter investing. AI-powered trading platforms use algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades automatically. These platforms can spot trends, manage risk, and optimize your investment strategy. Some popular AI trading tools include Trade Ideas, MetaTrader, and eToro. By leveraging AI, you can potentially increase your returns and reduce the time spent monitoring the markets. However, it's important to understand the risks and start with a demo account if you're new to trading. If you have programming skills, developing your own AI-powered apps can be highly profitable. You can create apps that solve specific problems, such as language translation, image recognition, or productivity tools. With platforms like TensorFlow and OpenAI, building and deploying AI models is more accessible than ever. Once your app is ready, you can monetize it through app stores, subscriptions, or advertising. In the next scenes, we'll look at how to get started with AI app development. Even if you're not a coder, no-code AI app builders like Bubble or AppGyver let you create powerful applications. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built AI modules, making it easy to launch your own app. You can build chatbots, recommendation engines, or automation tools without writing a single line of code. This opens up app development to a much wider audience, allowing anyone to profit from the AI revolution. Another way to make money with AI is by offering AI services to businesses. Many companies need help with tasks like data analysis, automation, or customer support. If you have expertise in AI, you can provide consulting, set up AI systems, or train employees. This can be done as a freelancer or by starting your own agency. The demand for AI expertise is growing rapidly, making this a lucrative field for those with the right skills. AI can automate repetitive tasks in businesses, saving time and money. For example, AI can handle scheduling, manage inventory, or process invoices automatically. By offering automation solutions, you help businesses become more efficient and competitive. You can charge for setup, maintenance, or ongoing support. As more companies look to automate, this is a growing opportunity for AI entrepreneurs. Content creation is one of the most popular uses of AI. From blog posts to videos, AI tools can help you generate ideas, write scripts, and even edit content. This allows creators to produce more content in less time, reaching larger audiences and increasing ad revenue. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media influencer, AI can help you scale your content production and boost your earnings. AI video creation tools like Synthesia and Lumen 5 make it easy to produce professional videos without expensive equipment. You can turn text into engaging videos, add AI-generated voiceovers, and even create avatars to present your content. These tools are perfect for marketing, education, or entertainment. By producing high-quality videos quickly, you can attract more viewers and monetize your content through ads or sponsorships. Growing a social media following can be challenging, but AI tools can help. AI can analyze your audience, suggest the best times to post, and even generate hashtags or captions. Some tools can automate posting and track engagement, helping you refine your strategy. By using AI to optimize your social media presence, you can attract more followers and increase your earning potential through brand deals and sponsored content. Influencer marketing is booming, and AI can help you connect with brands and grow your influence. AI platforms can match you with relevant sponsorships, analyze your audience demographics, and suggest content ideas that resonate with your followers. By leveraging AI, you can build stronger partnerships and negotiate better deals, turning your online presence into a profitable business. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model, and AI can make it even more efficient. AI tools can help you find trending products, automate order processing, and optimize your pricing strategy. By using AI to manage your store, you can save time and increase profits. Platforms like Shopify offer AI-powered apps that handle everything from inventory management to customer service, making dropshipping more accessible than ever. Print on Demand lets you sell custom products without holding inventory. AI design tools can help you create unique graphics for t-shirts, mugs, and more. You can use AI to generate product ideas, design mock-ups, and even write product descriptions. Once your designs are ready, platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle production and shipping. This business model is low risk and scalable, making it a great way to earn money with AI. If you're a photographer, AI can help you make more money from your photos. AI tools can enhance images, remove backgrounds, and even suggest the best keywords for stock photo platforms. Some AI platforms can generate entirely new images based on your style, expanding your portfolio. By optimizing your photos with AI, you can increase your sales on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Podcasting is another area where AI can help you earn money. AI tools can transcribe episodes, edit audio, and even generate show notes automatically. You can use AI voice generators to create intros or ads, saving time and improving production quality. By streamlining your workflow with AI, you can focus on growing your audience and attracting sponsors. AI-powered translation tools like Google Translate and DeepL have made it easier to offer translation services. You can use these tools to translate documents, websites, or videos quickly and accurately. By combining AI with your language skills, you can take on more clients and deliver faster results. This is a great way to make money if you're bilingual or multilingual. Resume writing is a valuable service, and AI can help you craft professional resumes in minutes. AI tools can analyze job descriptions, suggest keywords, and format your resume for maximum impact. By offering AI-assisted resume writing, you can help job seekers stand out and increase your own income. This service is always in demand, especially in competitive job markets. Virtual assistants powered by AI can handle scheduling, email management, and other administrative tasks. You can offer virtual assistant services using AI tools to boost your productivity and serve more clients. This is a flexible way to work from anywhere and earn a steady income. As businesses look to outsource more tasks, demand for AI-powered virtual assistants continues to grow. AI can help you offer personalized tutoring services online. AI-powered platforms can assess student progress, suggest learning materials, and track performance. By combining your expertise with AI tools, you can provide more effective tutoring and take on more students. This is a great way to make money if you enjoy teaching and want to work remotely. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, making it a powerful tool for research and analysis. Whether you're in academia, business, or journalism, AI can help you gather insights, identify trends, and generate reports. By offering research and analysis services powered by AI, you can serve clients in a wide range of industries and command higher fees for your expertise. AI is making its way into the legal field, helping lawyers and legal professionals save time and reduce costs. AI tools can review contracts, conduct legal research, and even predict case outcomes. If you have legal expertise, you can offer AI-assisted services to law firms or individuals. This can include document review, case analysis, or compliance checks, all powered by AI for greater efficiency. Healthcare is another sector where AI is creating new opportunities. AI can assist with patient scheduling, medical image analysis, and even remote consultations. If you have a background in healthcare, you can offer AI-powered services to clinics or patients. This might include telemedicine support, health data analysis, or patient monitoring, all of which can improve outcomes and efficiency. AI is transforming the real estate industry by automating property searches, analyzing market trends, and predicting property values. Real estate agents can use AI tools to match clients with homes, optimize listings, and streamline paperwork. By offering AI-powered real estate services, you can help clients make better decisions and close deals faster, increasing your commissions. AI-powered personal finance apps can help you manage your money, track expenses, and invest wisely. You can use these tools to offer budgeting advice, investment planning, or debt management services. By helping others improve their finances with AI, you can build a client base and earn fees or commissions. This is a growing field as more people look for smart ways to manage their money. Insurance companies are using AI to assess risk, process claims, and detect fraud. If you have experience in insurance, you can offer AI-powered services to help companies improve efficiency and reduce losses. This might include automating claims processing, analyzing customer data, or developing fraud detection systems. These services are in high demand as the insurance industry embraces digital transformation. AI chatbots and virtual agents are revolutionizing customer support. These tools can handle common questions, resolve issues, and provide instant responses. By offering AI-powered customer support services, you can help businesses improve satisfaction and reduce costs. This is a scalable business model as you can serve multiple clients with automated solutions. Recruitment agencies and HR departments are using AI to screen resumes, schedule interviews, and assess candidates. If you have experience in hiring, you can offer AI-powered recruitment services to businesses. These tools can save time, reduce bias, and help companies find the best talent. By providing AI-driven recruitment solutions, you can charge for your expertise and help organizations build stronger teams. Event planners can use AI to manage guest lists, send invitations, and coordinate logistics. AI tools can also analyze attendee preferences and suggest personalized experiences. By offering AI-powered event planning services, you can save time, reduce errors, and deliver memorable events for your clients. This is a creative way to combine technology with hospitality and earn money. Supply chain management is complex, but AI can simplify it by predicting demand, optimizing routes, and managing inventory. Businesses are willing to pay for AI solutions that reduce costs and improve efficiency. If you have experience in logistics, you can offer AI-powered supply chain services to manufacturers, retailers, or distributors. This is a high-value service with significant earning potential. AI is revolutionizing agriculture by helping farmers monitor crops, predict yields, and optimize irrigation. If you have expertise in agriculture, you can offer AI-powered consulting or develop tools for farmers. These solutions can increase productivity and reduce waste, making them highly valuable. As the world looks for sustainable food solutions, AI in agriculture is a growing field with many opportunities. AI can help monitor environmental changes, track pollution, and develop solutions for sustainability. If you're passionate about the environment, you can offer AI-powered services to governments, NGOs, or businesses. This might include data analysis, predictive modeling, or developing apps for environmental monitoring. These services not only help the planet, but can also be a source of income. The gaming industry is embracing AI to create smarter NPCs, generate content, and enhance player experiences. If you're a game developer or designer, you can use AI to build innovative games or offer AI-powered features to other developers. Monetization options include selling games, offering in-app purchases, or licensing your AI technology. The possibilities in AI gaming are vast and lucrative. AI is opening new doors for artists and designers. AI tools can generate unique artwork, suggest color palettes, and even create animations. You can sell AI-generated art as prints, NFTs, or use it in commercial projects. By combining your creativity with AI, you can reach new audiences and create additional income streams. As you explore ways to make money with AI, it's important to consider the ethical implications. Ensure that your AI solutions respect privacy, avoid bias, and are transparent in their operations. Building trust with your clients and users is essential for long-term success. In the final scene, we'll summarize the key takeaways and encourage you to start your AI money-making journey responsibly. We've covered a wide range of ways to use AI to make money, from freelancing and digital products to investing and offering specialized services. The key is to start with your strengths, choose the right AI tools, and stay updated on new trends. Remember, the AI landscape is constantly evolving, so keep learning and adapting. With creativity and determination, you can turn AI into a powerful source of income. Good luck on your journey to AI-powered success.